In this video, I will show you exactly how to strip away the default platform branding markers from your form layouts in Typeform to give your projects a much more professional and polished look. When you first start creating a form, you might notice that there are several standard branding elements that belong to the platform rather than your own business. But removing them is actually a very straightforward process. To begin this transformation, go ahead and look over at the right-hand sidebar on your screen and click on the design icon. You can easily find this because it is represented by a small icon that looks like raindrops or a color palette. Once you have opened up the design settings, you will see a few different options across the top of the panel. Your next step is to select the brand tab located right at the top of that design settings area. From this menu, you need to click on the section labeled My Brand to access your specific identity settings. This is the part where the magic really happens because you can finally begin to make the form your own. This is where you will add your official logo, select your custom brand fonts, and choose your specific color palette to match your company styling. By taking these few quick steps, you effectively mask the default layout and replace it with a cohesive brand identity that feels unique to you. It is incredibly important to go through these settings if you want to build trust with your audience and make sure your forms look high-end. Taking the time to upload your own assets ensures that every person who interacts with your form sees your brand first and foremost instead of the standard platform markers. Simply follow these easy steps in the design sidebar, and your forms will look incredible in no time at all. It is the best way to ensure your design remains consistent across all of your digital platforms.